I tried talking to her before she left. She just went out to go get cigarettes.
She's going to a different place.
Okay. So,
But I was
I've
in the
spoken to
kitchen
my
with
team
her.
here,
I just
sir.
went in there, but yeah.
Did you inform her about the issue?
I said that there might be something wrong with the computer, but I have some help fixing it right now, and she said it better be fixed before she gets back. So.
Okay. So now let me tell you here, sir, and I'm pretty sure you're a minor now, right? Are you above 18 or less than 18?
I would prefer not to disclose because I failed a couple grades.
Sure. That's okay. I understand that. Why I asked you this question is, now this problem needs to be fixed through an expert.
Okay.
Because this is something which is connected to your network, which is the IP address, which is compromised. The problems about viruses, about the drivers, that's a very small problem that can be fixed easily. The only problem here is with your IP address, which is compromised. Now,
Okay.
this issue can be fixed through the experts, which are our channel partners. They can do this job for you. So what they're going to do, they're going to take these foreign IP addresses out of your network or your computers. Then they will get you some securities so that these kind of problems does not arise again in future.
Okay.
For that, we would have to work not on just this computer. We would have to work on every computer which you have at your place. And then they have to install these securities and they have to take the foreign IP addresses out of your every computer so that they can make sure that things are
So
good
they're
to
gonna
go.
remove the bad IP addresses?
Yeah. Right, they're going to do that for sure. But once again, that's going to be a paid service because these securities are quite expensive.
All right.
So if you purchase an antivirus, that's going to cost somewhere close to $40 to $50 only. But talking about the network securities, which are called network security firewall, these securities are quite expensive.
Okay, so I have
For
to buy
that,
the network security, so
if
that
you-
way if I get like a thing on this computer, it doesn't spread to the other one over the Wi-Fi or something?
Not just the Wi-Fi. See, these securities will be installed on your computers so that whatsoever IP address, let's say you take your laptop to a different location, then the IP address would be different, right? Let's
Yeah.
say you go to McDonald's or your college. There you will
Well, I'm
be
in high
using
school.
their network, right? So, right.
Yeah.
So if you go to your school and you use your laptop there, so you will be connected to their Wi-Fi and their network. So in that case, you would need a public domain security,
All right.
so that even if you take your portable devices to some other locations, your devices will be safe enough to use there as well. So if you think
yeah.
you can make a decision here, I can transfer your call to our channel partners. They can let you know about their programs and services.
Well, I mean, I have,
Or if
I
you
have
want,
my mom's
to
credit card
discuss-
right here. I could use that if I needed to,
Yeah.
right? To fix things?
You can fix this, but once again, see, about the payment thing, which you have to talk to these guys
All right.
because we are not going to resolve this, right?
All right.
We are recommending someone for you who can fix this problem. So if you want, I can let you know about their programs and services, and you can speak to them, and you guys can work on it together. That's completely up to you and them.
All right.
We found a problem. We have channel partners because you are not the only person who got this problem. See, people watch porns a lot. People play game a lot. People get trapped too. So the first thing they do, they contact us. So if we find such problems, we always recommend the experts so that our customers will not be in trouble again.
All right.
And we put our customers in a safe hand. So I don't know, they're going to charge you by credit card, or they may ask you to put a check in the mail, or what they're going to do.
Okay.
I have no clue about that. So if you want, I can transfer the remote control access and the call right now to them.
Well,
You can speak to them if you find things are good to go. You can make a deal. If not, you can use the unsafe network. That's completely your choice.
can I ask you a question?
Hmm.
What's it like to be an internet scammer?
I'm sorry.
Well, I mean, what's it like to be an Indian tech support scammer who fakes being Microsoft?
Oh, I didn't know.
When did this happen? I do not know.
I have no clue.
What it's? I mean, it's your job. You scam people out of money.
Why do we scam people, sir? Why
Because
would we do that?
You popped up CMD, and you typed in dir to run. It shows all of my files. It does, like, if I go up inside of the actual, directory, I see cd, like you run dir/s, and then you type tree, netstat, and then you during the actual process when the dir/s was running, you typed in this actually. So there is nothing wrong with this computer. So what's it like to be an Indian tech support scammer? And in case you didn't know, I don't know how you didn't notice, but this is a VMware. It's a virtual machine. It's not a real computer.
Hmm.
Yeah.
So if you know that, you should fix it on your own, isn't it?
Well, I mean, I can because there's nothing wrong with it. It's a virtual machine. There's no viruses on it. You made everything up. You're trying to scam people.
Okay, that's
out of
great.
money. I mean,
Okay.
that's despicable.
Good for you if you know that.
And that's your job, man. Why?
Hello, I'm Fletcher Jones Jr. A guy builds a baseball field in the middle of a cornfield in Iowa, and thousands drive from all over just to watch the game. At our Newport Beach dealership, we've created our own Field of Dreams with over 200 Platinum certified pre-owned Mercedes-Benz. We know you can buy a used Mercedes-Benz from any dealer, but Fletcher Jones provides the highest quality certified pre-owned vehicles available anywhere. I guess the guy with the baseball field in Iowa was onto something.
Fletcher Jones Motor Cars, Mercedes-Benz, Newport Beach.
Good for you if you know that.
And that's your job, man. Why is that your job? Did you even go to college for computers?
I bet you don't even know who Tom
Thank you
Hanks
so much.
is.
You have a good day.
Wait,
Bye-bye.
no, come on, man. Hey, dude, just tell me. Why do you
Call him
scam
back.
people? He hung
still
up.
online?
He hung up.
Call him back. Call him back. Call him back.
Thank you for calling support. My name is Amanda. How
Just
may I
start
help
up a whole
you?
new thing. Just talk to her again. Just
Excuse me. I was just disconnected from one of your people.
Okay, so who were you talking with, sir?
he sounded Indian.
He sounded Indian. I don't know. I think his
Okay.
name was like Alex or something like that.
Okay, just hold on for a second.
Okay.
Okay, Brian, right?
Yeah.
I know.
I'm waiting for
Ignorant
all of my
Alex.
files to start getting deleted here. He has the ability to do that, but he's not doing shit. He hung up. He hung up, dude. I think this is over. I think this one's over. Hey, boys and girls. Okay, so a little background information. I want to let you guys see the entirety of this whole thing. This wasn't really a trolling video. I know, I get that, but the next video is going to be full trolling. I mean, it's gonna be great, guys. You guys should really check that one out. And if you stayed this long for the fucking video, holy fuck, you have no life. But seriously, thank you for staying so long in the video. Let's go for a like goal of it's new content. 100 likes. How about that, huh? 100 likes. Let's see if we can get to 100 likes. If we can, that'd be fucking insane, guys. I want you guys to check out another person who does this as well, and he also got me a little bit inspired to do this myself. Each and Everything channel links inside the description. Go comment on his video saying Plexi8 said hi. It'd be great. So